Hey, what's up guys? This is Sheikh from blogtut.com, and today we're gonna see how to create a multi-vendor e-commerce website. Basically, what is a multi-vendor e-commerce website? It's a website wherein different sellers or other people can register to your website as a seller and start selling their product on your website. For example, we have Amazon. Where you see in Amazon, you can register yourself as a Amazon seller and you can sell your products on Amazon.com. So basically, this is the concept of multi-vendor e-commerce website. So without wasting any time, let's see the demo website which we'll be creating in this particular tutorial. Okay, so first let's see how this website will be there for a seller or a vendor, because that is the most important thing. And a very important and a very awesome feature of this website which we are going to create in this tutorial is that we are giving the seller a front end dashboard, which means that the seller don't have to come on the dashboard, the back end dashboard, which we have the WordPress admin page. If you remember, if you have basic knowledge about WordPress, you know that we have a dashboard which is WP-admin. So the seller won't be able to go to that page. They have their own front end dashboard. So let's see how that looks like. For example, as you can see, this is the website which we'll be creating. Now, whenever a new person comes and visit on your new website, they'll get all these options. Okay, so for example, they want to register as a seller. So what they'll do, they'll click over here, start selling. When they do so, they'll be redirected to this page. Here we have different options to log in, to register. And if you see the register option, we have two different options: register as a customer and register as a vendor. So for example, now I want to register as a vendor, so I'll just click on here and I'll get some more options. Okay, store URL and so on. But I have already registered to this website as a vendor. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll click on login over here. And as you can see guys, this is the front end dashboard for the seller. This is amazing. Believe me guys, you won't see this kind of website anywhere. This is just awesome. The plugins which we have used, the theme which we have used is just amazing. And this is the best theme and the plugin combination which you can get for any multi-vendor e-commerce website. Okay, so when the seller comes to that dashboard, this is how it will look like. And as you can see, we have a report, a dashboard, okay, wherein it will show this is the sales, this is the earning. And as you can see, the earning is less than the sales. Why is that so? See, basically when you're selling on Amazon, you're not getting the whole amount. If you have any basic knowledge on selling on Amazon or Flipkart, you know that the Amazon or Flipkart charges around 10%. So for example, if you have sold goods worth rupees 10,000, then they will be charging 1,000 rupees as their commission for maintaining the website and giving you all this facility and so on. Okay, so we will also be giving 90% to the seller and 10% for us, for the website owner. Then we have two page views, one order. This is basically the dashboard, how a seller will see all this analytics on the front page. Sales this month, as you can see, there is sales worth $2,000 over here. Okay, then we have orders, 2 completed orders, okay, 1 order in process. Okay, then we have this review and product options. Okay, then we have over here products. When we click on this, we'll see all the products which we have created. Okay, so at present we have created only one product, so we can edit this product from here. And as you can see, it has got 2 views till now. Okay, so we have created a product, and if you want to create a new product, you'll just click on this button, add new product, and you add a new product. We'll see all these things later on. First we are just seeing the demo, how this website looks like, so that you can make a decision to watch this video further or just skip. Okay, so then we have this orders option. Here we can see all the orders which we have got on the website. Okay, so this is order number 204, order amount $206. Okay, status completed. So status completed means that we have delivered this order to the customer. Okay, so here you can see this order in detail. Then we have another order worth $70 and it is in processing. Now, as I told you earlier, in processing means you have received the order, but you have not delivered the product to the customer. And suppose you have delivered the product to the customer, then you can just click on this button, okay, and this thing will be changed to completed. The status will be changed to completed. Okay, now here is the coupons option, a great feature, really an amazing feature. Different seller can create different coupons for their products. Okay, so here we have created a coupon, year 60. Okay, fixed amount, the user will be getting 60% off their product if they are purchasing anything for more than $100. Okay, then if they use this coupon, they'll get 60% off. Okay, so user or the seller can create their own coupons. They can fix an expiry date for that coupon. They can have different options over there. Okay, then we have this reports, very detailed report about their sales, their earnings, and so on. As you can see, the first one is overview, and here we have sales in this period. Basically, in this month we have sold this much amount of money. Average daily sales is around $9, and 2 orders placed, 4 items purchased, and charged for shipping. So we have charged $4 for shipping. We'll see these shipping options later on in this video. Now you can see this report by different criteria. For example, sales by day, top selling product. When you see top selling product, basically we have added only one product till now, then that's why we are seeing only one product over here. This product has 4 sales till now. Top earning product, obviously we'll see this same product because we have created only one product over here. Now next option is the reviews option. The seller can see different reviews by different customers, and they have different options. For example, they can unapprove this review, they can mark this as spam, and they can throw this review in trash. Okay, they can also view this comment, they can see the rating, and so on. Then we have the withdraw options. Basically it is the withdrawn setting. Okay, so for example, the seller has made sales of around $1,000. So what we have different options. For example, we can pay that seller through PayPal or through bank transfer. So we can select that thing over here. And we have different options. For example, if a seller wants to withdraw the money, what he has earned, he must reach a certain amount. For example, $100. So we can set that, and we can also set a fixed date. For example, the sale, after 10 days of the sale, he can withdraw the money. So these are the different options which you'll see later on in this video. Okay, then we have settings option. Again, here we have different options. We can set up our banner, our image. We can have our shop name, numbers of product to show per page. We can have our address, phone number, and so on. Everything will be over here. Okay, this is the basic setting. Then we can also change the payment setting. Basically, if you want to change your PayPal email address, you can change it over here. And we also have bank transfer. We have not enabled that, that's why you're not seeing anything over here, but we can also use that option. You can transfer your money to the seller through bank transfer. Okay, then we have shipping options. It's all up to you whether you want to enable the seller to control all the shippings, or you as the owner of the website want to control this shipping thing. Okay, so we'll select these things later in this video. Okay, so basically this is how the dashboard looks like. This was the most important thing, guys, because when you're creating a multi-vendor website, the most important thing is to give authority to the seller to create their own product, to create their own coupon. And as you can see, this is so simple, and it is all on front end. So this is really amazing. This is just mind blowing. And let's see the front end, the front page, the main website which the customer will see. So that was for the seller, and this page or this look is for the customer. A new customer, when they come to your website, this is how they'll see. Okay, and we have maintained all the the design and everything according to the giant companies like Flipkart, Amazon, Alibaba, and so on. Okay, so this is how their website looks like. So we have also created a similar website. At the top, as you can see, there is a big search bar. Then we have this wish list, cart, and then we have a top menu. You can track your order, you can see your cart, you can see my account, you can change your password and so on from here. You can see your orders, everything under my account. Then here we have some different categories and then a slider, then few images as you can see according to the categories. Okay, then we have this special offer, and we also have a timing going on. For example, it says 5 days and some hours, so for this particular time we are giving some discount on this product. So if a person makes purchase within that time frame, he'll get this discount. Okay, then we have around 6 products, feature product, on sale product, top rated product. When you click on sale product, you will see the products which are going on sale. Okay, and you can also see the top rated products, so the customer can make their choices. Okay, then when we come down, we have different designs of product. For example, one product is there as a main product, then we have a few products beside that. Then again we have this best seller, the best selling products on this website, and these all products are created by different sellers, or in other words you can say these are products of different sellers on. Okay, and you as an admin, as the website owner, can also create your own products. So you can provide a mix of all the products, whether created by you or created by some different sellers. Okay, then we have these recently added products. Then at the bottom we have a few simple products like feature products, on sale products, top rated products. Obviously, you can change all these products, you can change this criteria and so on. And this is the footer. Okay, now let's see how a single product looks like. So let's click on any product and see how it looks like. Just click on this product, console, game console controller. Okay, this is how a single product looks like. This is the product. When you hover this product, as you can see, the image gets zoomed in, and this is very important. Okay, and we can see how many products are then in stock. It can be back ordered. We'll see this back order thing later on in this video. Then this is the short description. It is wireless, motion sensing, and whatever it is. And here is the option to add to wish list, add to cart. Okay, then we have some few more images over here. Then this is a very important feature, I would say. This feature, if you see, it is available on big websites like Amazon and Flipkart. When they're purchasing one product, suppose if you have ever purchased some processor or motherboard from Amazon, then you also get some options below that product. Suppose you're purchasing one processor, then they'll also show you the motherboard which is fits with that processor or with that motherboard. Okay, and you have different RAM and so on. So basically the idea is to increase the sale and generate more sales, because when a person is purchasing one product, when we also expect him to purchase some different products. Okay, and he can select all these products and add to cart from here. Then we have this description, the long description. Then we have shipping options. Okay, you can select shipping and get the shipping cost from here. Okay, the quantity, he can select state, and when he click on the shipping, he'll get the shipping cost $6. Okay, then we have specifications option. Then we have reviews. If there is any review or the user wants to provide review on this product, he can provide that. Then we also have vendor information. Who is the vendor, who is the seller for this product? Okay, then we have some related products. This is also important. When the person is searching for one product, he also wants to see different products which are related to that product. So basically, when the products are from the same category, those products will be shown over here under related products. So user can purchase different products from here. Okay, then we have different options. We also have a compare option. You can add two products in compare, and then you can click on this compare button and you will get a comparison of that product. And there are many different options in this website which we are going to create. You'll see all those options later on when we start creating the website. This was just a demo to show you guys how a website which we are going to create in this video would look like. Okay, and I hope you guys like this video and you guys like this demo website which I have shown you, and you guys are really excited to make this website, because this website, the multi-vendor website, was requested by so many people that I have to keep the different projects on side, and I started working on this project and I finally am recording this video. Okay, so guys, let's get started with this product. To create any kind of website, we need two basic things: a domain name and a web host. Okay, so basically what is a domain name? As you can see over here, this is nayyarshake.com. So this is the domain name. Google.com is a domain name. Facebook.com is a domain name. And what is a web host? Web host is basically a computer or a hard drive somewhere in the world where all the data, all the images, whatever is there on your website is saved at that place. For example, when you open Facebook, you see all those images, all those different things. So those images are actually saved somewhere in the world in a computer which is 24/7 running. Okay, so that is a web host. So we will need a domain name and a web host. For both domain and hosting, I recommend TmdHosting, and I'll explain you why I recommend TmdHosting in a moment. Okay, so open a new tab and just type in blog2.com/tmd. Okay guys, when you do so, you will be redirected to this page. Okay, just scroll down. And here we have 3 different plans. Let me zoom out a bit. Okay, so we have 3 different plans: summer cloud, rain cloud, storm cloud. Why I prefer TmdHosting for e-commerce website? There are many reasons, and you can see all those reasons here over here. The first and the most important reason is SSD space. You know, there is a lot of difference between HDD and SSD. If you don't believe me, you can just go on and search on Google. You'll get your options: SSD versus HDD web hosting. Okay, and just click on images and let me show you this thing. Okay, guys, as you can see, the first one is speed difference, and as you can see, there is a lot of difference between these 2 different hostings. The SSD is way faster than the HDD. Okay, and they are different. Latency is also very low. Lower is better. Okay, latency should be lower. You know, basically the time your website takes to load the website. Okay, so it should be very small time. So basically your website should load within few seconds or milliseconds. Okay, so you can do your own research and you will find that SSD is way more better than HDD. Okay, so the first reason and the most important reason why we prefer TmdHosting is that it provides SSD space, and not only that, it provides unlimited SSD space, which is just amazing. Okay, and not only that guys, we can host unlimited websites on this particular hosting account. For example, if you see the demo website, it is electro.nayyarshake.com. Electro.nayyarshake.com is just a subdomain of nayyarshake.com, and I have hosted both this domain and subdomain and around hundreds of different domains on this particular domain name, on this particular web host. Okay, you also get a free domain. nayyarshake.com was given as a free domain name with this account. Okay, you have premium support, you have cPanel, you have wildcard SSL, which is just amazing. See, when you're creating an e-commerce website, SSL is just must. You just cannot create a website without SSL. Okay, what is that SSL? Here you will see this secure button over here, the secure sign, which this a green secure log button, that is SSL. And that gives a sense of confidence to the customer that their information, the credit card, debit card information which they are providing to you on your website is safe. Okay, and it has wildcard SSL. It means that not only you'll get SSL certificate for one domain name, but for many different domain names. For example, if you see the demo website, it also has an SSL certificate. My main website nayyarshake.com also has an SSL certificate. So this is really amazing. Okay, so for the money which you're spending, you're getting a lot of things, guys, and this is the best thing which I recommend, and you guys should also go with this thing. Okay, so basically you know how to do that. Just go to blog2.com/tmd and you can choose any of this from this one, summer, rain or storm. I am using the storm cloud, and I also prefer this package, this storm cloud package, and I always prefer and suggest only those things which I have used and I am using and I have experience with. Okay, so I am using this particular plan and I am really satisfied with this one. That is why I am referring and suggesting you guys to this thing. So just click on sign up now. Here you have to choose in your free domain name whatever you want. Okay, just type in the domain name which you want for free, and you can select .com, .net, whatever you want. I already have a domain name, so I'll click on over here, but I strongly recommend, if you're getting something for free, then why not get it? Okay, so make sure you're under register a new domain and type in your domain name and click on proceed. But I'll click on over here. I'll already have a domain name and put in my domain name. Now click on proceed. Okay guys, so here is the checkout option. Here you have to fill in some basic information like your first name, last name, email address, and so on. And here there are two different payment options. You can pay it by credit card or debit card, or you can also pay it by PayPal. Okay, so you just enter your card information over here. Then we have this thing, you have to choose your data centers, and you have to choose the nearest data center that is more preferable. So for me, Singapore is the nearest data center for me, so I'll select this one. And here you have to select the period, to 12 months, 24 months, 36 months. I basically would suggest you guys to go with 12 months. Then make sure everything over here is unticked. And then we have this promo code option. I would really like to thank TMD for providing me and for providing you guys a coupon code for which you will get 7% off. Basically you get only 5% off with regular coupon codes, but they have provided me a special one with which you can get 7% off. So just type in Nayyar YT, which stands for Nayyar YouTube. Okay, it's Nayyar YT, and click on apply. Okay guys, as you can see, this promo code gives you 7% off this purchase. Okay, so this is amazing. You're getting an amazing discount. Now just tick mark over here, I agree to the TMT terms of services, and click on checkout. Okay guys, when you click on that checkout button, you will receive an email address from TmdHosting. This is a very important email address. Make sure you save all this information somewhere in your local computer. You can also mail this or forward this email to different email address if you own more than one email address, so that you can be sure that it is secure and you have access to this thing, because it has all the important information, links which you will need in future. For example, it has your cPanel username, your password, your name servers, and your cPanel link, and so on. So make sure you save all this information somewhere in your computer. Now what you have to do is, you'll see this control panel link over here. Just open that link in a new tab. Basically it's nothing that it's just your domain name /cPanel. When you go to your domain name /cPanel, you will be redirected to this page. Okay, now copy your username and password from here and paste it over here in the cPanel and click on login. Okay guys, this is our cPanel. Now what we have to do, we have to install WordPress on our domain name. So for that, scroll down and you'll see this thing, Softaculous Apps Installer, and you'll see the first option is WordPress. Just click on that. Okay, now click on install now, and from here select https www. Okay, and select your domain name from your whatever domain name you want your website to be on. Okay, and in the directory make sure everything is empty, so just select this WP and delete this thing. It should be empty. Now we have this site name, site description. We can change all these things later on from our dashboard, so no need to change it from here. Now we have username and password. You can put some different username. For example, I am putting this Nayyar Sheikh, and also the password should be different. Okay, so make sure you change the username and password, or else there are very high chances of your website getting hacked. Okay, now here is the email address option. Make sure you select an email address which is active and you have access to that email address, because you will be getting many different and important information regarding your website on this particular email address. Okay, and obviously you have to select English from here. Rest everything is fine. Just click on install now. As you can see guys, it took only few seconds to install WordPress on your website. Now what we have to do, just open this link in a new tab. Okay guys, so you will see your dashboard over here. Now what we have to do, we have to install the theme in our website. Okay, so basically we have installed WordPress. Now it's time to install the theme. Why theme? Let's see how our website looks like now. Just hover over here and open this link in a new tab. Okay, so this is how our website looks like right now, and we have to change these things. For that, we use a theme. Okay, so come back to your dashboard, hover over appearances and click on themes. Now here you have to click on add new, and we have to add that theme which the theme which we have used in our demo website over here. So for that, what we have to do, just open a new tab and type in blog2.com/electro. Okay guys, once you do so, you will be redirected to a different page, to this page, and this is the theme which we have used in our WordPress demo website which we have created, the multi-vendor website. Okay, so we have used this theme. This is just an amazing theme. As you can see, it has 4.90 average rating, which is amazing. More than 164 people have rated this website, this theme. It has got more than 2,000, around 3,000 sales. This is just amazing, super awesome theme, and this is trending. If you see this logo over here, this is trending. Okay, so this is the trending theme. This is amazing theme, and I have used the same theme in my demo website. So go ahead and buy now, click on buy now and purchase this theme. I won't be doing that because I have already purchased that theme. Okay, so now it's time to add this theme and upload this theme. When you purchase that theme, you will get a zip file. So what you have to do, just click on upload theme over here. Now click on choose file. Basically, this is not how your theme file would look like. It will be like themeforest.com something, and then you have to open that zip file, and under that zip file there will be another zip file which would look something like this, electro-theme.zip file, and you have to upload that zip file. Okay, so make sure you don't upload the main file, or else you'll get style sheet error and so on. You have to use the file which is under the main zip file. Then select this file and click on open. Now click on install now. And if you're using Google Chrome, you can see at the left bottom of the browser the progress, uploading progress. Okay, so by the time this theme is getting uploaded, you can do one thing. You can subscribe to my channel and also give a thumbs up to this video. And if you guys have any doubt, you can also post a comment in this video. Okay, so I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Okay guys, so our theme has successfully been installed. Now it's time to activate the theme. So just click on this activate button. Okay, now it will ask you to install some plugins. So just click on over here, begin installing plugins. Now select this thing. It will select all the plugins which are there over here, and from bulk action select install and click on apply. Okay guys, so all our plugins have been installed. Now it's time to activate all the plugins. So just click on over here, return to required plugin installer. Now again select this thing, tick mark this thing, everything will get selected, and from bulk action this time you have to select activate and click on apply. Okay guys, so all our plugins have been successfully activated. Okay, now it's time to install the main plugin, which is Dokan. The name of the plugin is Dokan. This is the plugin which is used to convert the website or to make a website a multi-vendor website. Okay, so for that, open a new tab, type in blog2.com/Dokan and press enter, obviously. Okay guys, when you do so, you will be redirected to this particular page. Okay, and you have different options. For example, 1 site, 5 site, unlimited sites. So this is $199, around $200. If you want to use this on one site, then go ahead and click on this purchase this theme and install and download this plugin, and then we can proceed further. Don't see the amount, my friends. Don't see $200. That is, frankly speaking, not too much, because the amount, the quality and the features you're getting with this plugin is just amazing, you know. And it's really not possible to create a multi-vendor website without this plugin. so you have to purchase this. Okay, so I would recommend to go with this one, the one site, $200. Okay, just click on this, purchase this plan, and again I have already purchased and downloaded this theme, this plugin, so I won't be doing that again. Okay, so for that, again come back over here to your dashboard, hover plugins and click on add new. Now click on over here, upload plugin. Now choose file, and this is the file. Okay, now click on open. Now click on install. Now click on activate plugin. Okay, it says you need the core plugin to make it functional, so just click on install now. Okay guys, now whenever your WordPress asks for any update, then you have to update that plugin or theme. That is more recommendable. Okay, so just click on this, run the updater. You might not see this, but I am getting this option, so I will update my data. Okay, it says WooCommerce data update complete. Fine, thank you. Now again come back to your dashboard, and let's see what we have to do next. So we have the theme, we have installed the theme, we have installed and activated the plugin. Now what we have to do, we have to first delete all the extra themes which we don't need. So hover appearances over here and click on themes. Okay, so this is the theme which we are using, Electro. We don't need all these themes, so just click on over here and click on delete. Again, same thing for this, delete. Okay, now we should have only one theme over here. Now let's start doing the WooCommerce setting. WooCommerce is the main plugin which will make your website an e-commerce website. Okay, so for that, come back over here, you will see WooCommerce, hover WooCommerce and select settings. Okay, so this is the first option, the general option. Okay, here it will ask you for base location, where your store or your business is based. Okay, then you here select this option, and you have to type in your state name. Okay, for example, I stay in Mumbai, which is in Maharashtra state, so I will type in Maharashtra and I'll get this option. Okay, India, Maharashtra, select that one. Now it will ask you selling locations, to what all countries or to which all countries do you sell. So I am basically planning to sell only in India, so I'll select this and I'll select sell to specific countries and then choose that countries. Or if you're planning to sell in 2-3 countries, then select all those countries over here. So I'm planning to sell only in India, so I'll select India. If you're planning to sell in more than one country, then you can also select some different country, for example Pakistan, which is the nearest country, our neighbor country, so I can also select that if I want. Okay, now come down and you see this shipping location, ship to all countries you sell to. That is fine because we are shipping to all the countries we are selling to. So we are selling in India, so we are also shipping in this particular country. Okay, now enable taxes and tax calculation, make sure this is tick marked. Then we have store wide notice, not necessary. Now we have to select the currency over here. Okay, for example, if you want to go with Indian rupees, then type in Indian rupee, you'll get this option and select that. You'll get all the options over there. Now it is currency position, and you can also see a demo over here. It starts from left, $99.99. You have different types. For example, if you want to put this dollar sign at the right side, you can also select this one. You can select any one of this. I'm selecting the default one. Now here is the number of decimals. So as you can see here, it is 99.99. So we have two decimals, so it is 2 selected over here. If you want to increase or decrease anything from here, you can select that. And after you're done all the changes, just click on save changes over here. Okay, this was the general setting. Now click on products over here. Okay, so this is basically settings related to your products. So weight unit, which unit do you prefer for your product? So I am selecting grams. Basically, if you, in India we prefer grams. If you're in America or some different country, I think you basically they prefer the pound and so on. So you can select that from here. Now dimension unit, you can select meter, millimeter, centimeter. Centimeter is selected by me. Now we have different options like enable reviews, enable product reviews. Yeah, we want users to provide reviews on the product, so we have tick mark this thing. Show verified owner label on customer review. This is very important. If you see, sometimes it happens that someone who hasn't purchased the product comes and provides a negative or a positive review, although they have not even purchased the product. So this is very important. Someone, when anyone goes and see the reviews, verified owner will be there besides their name, so we can say, okay, fine, this is a genuine review. Okay. And then the third option is review can only be left by verified owners. Not preferable, because we want others also to provide a review. Or if you want only those who have purchased the product to make a review, you can tick mark this thing. It's all up to you. Enable star rating and so on. Obviously we want to do that, so just click on save changes. Okay, now click on tags over here. Now this is very important. You have to see all the taxation option and so on. First option is whether you'll be entering the price inclusive or exclusive of tax. I'll select exclusive of tax. So my product, the price which is shown on my website, for example, let's say this price does not include taxes. Okay, so the taxes will come when the person is going to check out. Okay, so make sure it is exclusive of tax. Okay, now you can select this tax calculate based on which address, the shipping address, billing address, whichever address you want. Then we have shipping class, tax class. Okay, I have created different class over here. I'll show you how to create different classes. Okay, for example, in India we have GST, so I will create GST over here. So just click on over here and type in GST. Okay, then we have display prices in the shop excluding tax. Yes, because we are displaying this price excluding of tax. Okay, now everything is fine. Just click on save changes. Okay guys, when you put in GST over here, you'll get one extra column over here, GST rates. So now what we have to do is click on this GST rates. Here we'll set all the taxation options. Okay, now what you have to do, just click on insert row. And if you guys are from India, you know that we are following two rates, a state rate and a central rate. So basically a person is paying two taxes on one particular product. So I'll teach you how to do that setting in over here. You can see what tax rate is applied in your country on your product, and you can make these changes accordingly. First one is a country code. For basically, if you're from United States, then you will put US. I'm from India, so I'll put IN. This is the country code for India, and as you can see, when I put IN, I get this option India. Okay, now state code, I won't put anything over here, because when I put India and I don't put state and city, then basically it says that this rate will be applied and to entire India. Okay, so I want to do that because this is the central tax. Okay, now I have to choose the rate. What is the rate, tax rate? For example, I'll select 12 over here, and tax name I'll put CGST, which is Central Goods Services Tax, whatever it is, and just untick this thing. Okay, so basically this is the central tax. Now we'll do the state tax. So click on insert row, and again I'll put in India IN. Okay, now for example, I want to create a state tax for Maharashtra, then I'll type in MH, which stands for Maharashtra, and I'll leave all these things blank. Postal code and city and everything will be blank, because I want anything that comes, or any place that comes under Maharashtra, I want that this rate to be applied on that. So I'll put 12%, and here I'll put SGST, state tax. Okay, and I'll untick this thing. Now click on save changes. Okay guys, so this is how you do the tax settings. Now let's come to shipping. Okay, now here we have to create different shipping zones and shipping classes. Okay, so just click on add shipping zone. Now we have to type in the zone name. So basically I'm selling only in India, so I'll be entering a shipping class and shipping zone for India. So I'll name this thing as India. You can name it anything you want. Okay, now I'll select the region. So I'm selecting whole of India. Here is the option. Okay, now click on save changes. Now click on add shipping method. Now we have to add a shipping method. Okay, now for example, if you want to charge a flat amount, for example, if I want to charge $2 and for example anyone purchasing from anywhere in India, I want to charge them $2 shipping cost. So I'll select flat rate and click on add shipping method. Now I'll click on this edit over here. Now here you have flat rate, taxable or not taxable, and what is the cost. So I'll put in $2. Okay, now click on save changes. Now let's come back to this shipping options. Okay, enable the shipping calculator on the cart page, very important. So make sure this is a tick mark. Now shipping classes. Okay, now suppose, okay fine, I am charging $2 on different products, but many times you are selling different kind of product. For example, for mobile phones it is fine, $2 will be fine for shipping cost. But when someone is purchasing a refrigerator or a television set, then obviously $2 won't be that shipping cost for that one, because those are bulky products and the shipping cost for that also will be higher. Okay, so we will create different classes for different products. For example, for those kind of product, we will create a new shipping class. So just click on add shipping class from here, and you can name it anything. For example, I am naming it as bulky products, or you can just put in bulky. And in the description you can put something, any description, for example over 10 kgs. Okay, over 10 kgs. So any product which is over 10 kg, I'll apply this class on that product. Now click on save shipping classes. Now again come back to shipping zones. Okay, now again click on edit over here. Okay, now again click on this edit. Okay, now we have this new class option, bulky shipping cost. Okay, so here you can, for example, for this kind of product I want to charge $5, so I'll put in 5 over here. Okay, now click on save changes. But before that there is another option. For example, suppose when you do this setting, there will be one problem. If a person purchases 10 cell phone, still he'll be charged only $2, but we don't want that. We want $2 per quantity. Okay, so for that there is a code. Just type in 2, give a space, put this sign, asterisk sign, and in this bracket type in quantity, QTY. Okay, so this is the code, the amount which you want to charge, then a space, then this asterisk sign, and this then under this square brackets type in QTY. So basically this will say that quantity into this rate. So if they are purchasing 2 product, they'll be charged $4, 2 into 2. Okay, and similarly here also we'll do the same thing. Okay, fine. So this is very important, so that you don't get any errors over there. Now click on save changes. Okay guys, so our shipping settings are done. Now click on checkout. Now we have different options. For example, enable the use of coupons. Obviously we want to do that. Calculate coupons discount sequentially. If you want to do that, just click on tick mark that, or just leave that. Now here we have cart page, checkout page. You'll have these pages already selected over here, the cart page and the checkout page. Okay, all these things will be already selected, and just leave everything will be fine. Just click on save changes. Okay, now suppose you wanna enable or provide a cash on delivery option, then just click on this cash on delivery. and tick mark this enable cash on delivery and click on save changes. So when the person will check out, he'll get cash on delivery option. And if you want to provide PayPal option, just click on PayPal. Okay, enable PayPal standard, put in your PayPal email address. Okay, now come down and here you have to enter your username, password and API signature, which I have already entered. And where will you get that? For example, open a new tab and open paypal.com. Click on login. Log into your PayPal account. Okay, scroll down. At the left hand side, you'll see this seller preferences. Just click on that. And here you have API access. Okay, so beside that there is a button which says update. Just click on that. And here you will get another option which says view API signature. Again, click on that. Okay guys, so they will verify who is checking this option, so you can receive an email, an SMS or a call. Okay, and you can select your number and just click on continue. So I'll get an SMS, a code, and I'll have to enter that code over here. Okay, so I got that number. Now click on continue. Okay, now here you have all the three options: API, username, password and signature. Just click on show. You'll see your username. Copy that username from here, paste it over here. Similarly, copy the password and signature from here and paste it over here. Once you're done that, just click on save changes. Okay, now click on accounts over here. Okay, so everything over here is fine. Okay, now click on emails and make sure you have your email address on all the three options, all the three top options. So basically when there is a new order or a cancelled order, failed order, whatever, you'll be getting an email address and an email on this particular email address. Okay, so these settings are very important settings. Okay guys, before proceeding further, let me clear one thing. Come back to the checkout option over here. And here, if you're not getting these pages under cart page, if you don't see any page which is cart page, or under checkout page, if there is no checkout page, don't worry, it happens sometimes. What you can do is click on over here, hover over here under pages and click on add new page. Okay, and you can just create a new page and name it as cart. And here there is a page which is the WooCommerce shortcode page. If you search on Google, you will get this page, WooCommerce shortcodes, and scroll down here, you will see this code, show the cart page, and just copy this shortcode from here and paste on this page. Okay, so just create a new page, name it as cart, and paste this code and click on publish. I won't do that because I already have my cart page, but suppose you don't see your cart page under checkout where you have to select those pages, then this is how you do that. And also for checkout page, just create a new page called checkout page and enter this coupon code over there. Okay guys, so don't worry if you don't see those pages. And for my account page also, this is the shortcode for that. Okay, so you just have to create a new page and enter this shortcode over there. Okay, if you don't see those pages option on the checkout option over there. Okay, fine. Okay, so I won't be doing this. I'll just move this thing into trash because I already have a cart page. Okay guys, so with this we have completed the WooCommerce setting. Now let's select the Dokan setting. So hover Dokan and click on settings. Okay guys, so first one is the general setting. The first option is admin area access. Make sure this is tick mark. What does this do is disables the vendor and customer from accessing the WordPress admin dashboard. This is the page which we are on right now, the WP admin dashboard page. So basically we don't want the customers or the vendors to visit this page, because they don't need to visit this page, because as I showed you in the demo website, they are getting a front dashboard, so they don't need to visit this page. And this is also dangerous, if they visit this page, it will be dangerous for you. So make sure this is tick marked. And the second one is vendor store URL. So this is how your URL will look like. It will show your domain name / store / seller name. Okay, if you want to change this store to vendor or to seller, then you can do that if you wish. Okay, then extra fee receipt. Okay, basically what is this extra fee receipt? We have two options, vendor and admin. Make sure vendor is selected. It says that the extra fee receipt, for example, shipping cost and all the extra cost, who should pay those costs? So we are selecting vendor will be paying those shipping cost and so on. Okay, if you select admin, then you will have to pay those cost. Okay, then here it is show map on store page. Make sure it is not selected. Why we are not selecting this thing? See, we don't want the customer to know the exact address of the seller, the vendor on our website. If they know the address of the vendor, why would they come to your website and make a purchase? Okay, so basically we are the mediator between the customer and the seller. So we don't want the customer to directly contact the seller. Okay, so that's why we are disabling the map. Okay, then here it says show contact form on store page. Also make sure this is also unticked, because we don't want the seller to contact the customer or the customer to contact the seller. Then here it is the next option is product mail notification. Make sure this is tick mark, because whenever a new product is added by the seller, you will get a notification that the seller has added a new product, and that product will be under pending status, and you will go through that product, and if you see everything is fine, then you can just publish that product. Okay, then this is banner width and height. This is fine, everything is fine. Just click on save changes. Now come to selling options. The first option is allow newly registered vendors to add products. What does this mean? See, whenever a new vendor signs up for your website as a seller, they won't be allowed, if you uncheck this thing, they won't be allowed to add new product unless and until you as an admin and owner of the website mark those sellers as legitimate, and you provide access to those guys. Okay, so if you want any new seller to come and start selling products, then you can tick mark this, but I would recommend just untick this thing, because first you will manually accept them as the seller, and then they will be able to add new products. Okay, the second one is vendor commission. It is set to 90%. Make sure keep this as 90%. What does this mean? Suppose a vendor is selling a product for $100 and there is a purchase made by the customer for that $100. So the vendor or the seller will be getting 90% of that product, 90% price of that product, and you will be getting the rest 10% as commission, because you're creating this website and you're doing all this stuff. Okay, if you want to change these percentages, you can do so. Order status change. Vendor can update order status. It is all up to you. If you tick mark this thing, then the vendor can change the order status from processing to completed. Or if you untick this thing, then you as the admin will have to change the order status for the product. Okay, disable product pop-up. This is not so important. Flat view, fine, everything is fine over here. Rest everything is fine. This is important. New product status. So whenever a new seller will add a new product, you have some options. Published. If you select publish, whenever a new seller will add a new product, it will automatically get published. But when you select pending review, you will get that product will be under review until you publish that product. Okay, so a new product has been added by the seller, but that is not live on your website. You get an option, you go to your dashboard and you see, okay fine, all the images are there, all the categories selected, all the different options are perfectly there, so then you can publish that product. Okay, so this is also very important. After doing all these changes, just click on save changes. Okay, now click on withdraw options. Now we have selected the two different options, PayPal and bank transfer. What is this withdraw options? Basically, whenever the the seller wants to withdraw money, we are getting two options. He can withdraw through PayPal, and we can also provide the money through bank transfer. Then here it is the minimum withdrawal limit. It is set to 100. So basically, when the seller reaches this minimum threshold of $100, then he is eligible for the payment. Or else, if he has earned around $90, and if he wants to withdraw, he won't be able to withdraw that amount because the minimum amount is $100. Okay. Order status for withdraw. What should be the status order or status for the product? So that he can withdraw the money. It is selected to completed, which says if the order is completed, only then the seller will get paid for that particular product. If the order is under processing or under hold, he won't get paid for that, and that does make sense. Okay, so make sure completed is selected. Then here it is withdrawn threshold. Okay, so basically what does this mean? After a person or the seller reaches the $100 of minimum amount, then after 7 days of reaching $100, he can withdraw this amount. Okay, so make sure it is 7, or you can increase or decrease the days from here and click on save changes. Now click on page settings. And here make sure under dashboard is selected, and under my orders is selected. Okay, click on save changes. Now click on appearances, and this is the first one is by default selected. This is how the banner for the seller will look like. You can select any banner of your choice. I am selecting the default one. Okay, now again click on save changes. So we have done the most important settings, the WooCommerce and the Dokan settings. Now let's see the vendor guide, how a vendor will create a new account, how he will go about creating new product and so on, which is very important. So let's open our website from a new browser so that we can see from a vendor's perspective how and what steps will he be taking to create different accounts or to create different products. Okay, so let's open our website. So for example, let's copy our website URL from here and open a new browser, paste it over here. Okay, first let's see all the changes that we have done on our website. So this is how our website looks at present. Now let's refresh and see what all the changes have taken place. Okay, as you can see, this is how our website looks like right now. Now what we have to do, we have to add these different options. For example, here you'll see seller dashboard, then here we have different menus over here. So let's create these two menus, this seller dashboard and the top left and top right menus. Okay, so come back to your dashboard, hover appearances, you will see this menus. Click on menus. Now suppose we want to add this menu first, the top left menu. So what we can name this thing anything. For example, I am naming it as top left. Okay, now click on create menu and select top bar left from here. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to add this thing. Okay, so let's do that. You can just select this dashboard and click on add to menus, and we have to change the navigation label. For example, it says seller dashboard. Okay, so let's make this as seller dashboard. Okay, now click on save menu. Okay, so basically if the seller is logged in, then he will be redirected to the dashboard. But if there is a new seller and he is clicking on seller dashboard, he won't see the dashboard obviously because he has not signed up for the website, but he'll be redirected to the my account page, wherein he will have to create a new account, okay, which is very important. Now let's create this menu. Again, come back to this menu, click on over here, create a new menu. Now let's name this as top right. Okay, click on create menu, and let's see what all different pages we have over here. We have start selling, track your orders, okay, shop, and my account, whatever we have over here. So let's see all the pages. The first one is dashboard. We have my account, then we had shop page, okay, then shop page. Okay, let's see all the pages over here. Dashboard, my account, shop page. Okay, click on add to menus. Okay, so dashboard, it is not dashboard, it says start selling over here. Okay, so let's rename this as start selling. Okay, basically this is the dashboard page, but as I said, when a new user will click on this, he will be redirected to the my account page, wherein he will have to create a new account and then he can start selling. Okay, then we have the shop page, my account page, and so on. Now as you can see, we have different icons over here. Okay, so how to put that? Again, come back over here, and first let's select this one, top bar left, and just expand this, and here you will see icon class. So from where will you get icon class? Open a new tab and type in FontAwesome, okay, .com.io, I guess, FontAwesome.io. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to go over here, icons, and click on all icons. Scroll down. Now let's search for this one. This is the user icon. Okay, you can search all these icons over here. You can also search from here. For example, let me put in user over here. Okay, as you can see, when I put user, I get different options, user dash so on. So come back over here and type in FA space FA dash user. Okay, click on save menu. Now come back to your website, refresh, and let's see whether all the changes are taking place or not. As you can see, we have seller dashboard over here, we have start selling, and with this we have a icon, user icon. Now the next one is shop. Okay, so let's search for shop or something similar to that. We have shopping basket, we have shopping bag, shopping cart. So you can use any icon from here. For example, let's use this shopping bag icon. So it is shopping dash bag. So what we have to do, we have to first type SA space FA dash shopping bag, shopping dash bag. Okay, then for my account, again we have the user icon. Okay, so we'll do the same thing, FA dash user. Click on save menu. Now let's come back to your website and refresh, and we should see those changes over here. And as you can see, we are seeing all the changes over here. Okay, fine. So now the top left and the top right menu are completed successfully. Now let's start and see how a seller will be able to start selling on our website. Okay, for that, let's open our website in a new browser so that we can see how a seller will be able to do all these things. So I am opening my website in a new browser, and let's refresh this website to see all the changes. Okay, now as you can see, we have these menus over here. Now let's click on start selling. Okay, as you can see, now we have all the options, the login, register, and all options. Now I have this thing over here, I am a vendor, so I'll select that. Okay, so the first option is an email address, so let me put in an email address. Okay, fine. Now second option is to select a password, so just put in any password of your choice. First name Nair, last name Sheikh, store name, let me put NTech, and for Nair Tech. Okay, so it says it is available. So this is how my store or my seller URL will look like, the domain name /store/ntech. Okay, now put in any phone number. I'm putting this thing 12345667. Now make sure I am a vendor is selected. Now click on register. Okay, when you register, you'll get this option over here. Click on let's go. Okay, store product per page, how many products should be shown per page. So it is select 10. Let's keep that as 10. Street, name of the street, let's put it at street 2, city Mumbai. Postal code, you can put any postal code. Then you have to select the country. I'm obviously selecting India. State, selecting your state, Maharashtra. Okay, click on continue. Email address, now you have to put in your bank information over here, because if you select bank transfer, then you will need all those bank information. Okay, so make sure you put all in your information over here. Now click on continue. Okay, so it says your store is ready, go to your store dashboard. So click on that. Okay, here it says error, your account is not enabled for selling. If you remember, when we were doing those Dokan settings, we got these options. Okay, now first what we have to do, we have to enable this seller. So let's come back to the website over here. This is the different browser obviously, and here we have the access to this dashboard. And when you hover this Dokan, you'll get these options, all vendors. So just click on that. And as you can see, you get this option, Nayers 777. This is the account we just created, NTech. Okay, so it is inactive. Now we can activate this account from here. So just click on this activate selling. Now again, let's come back to the different browser. Okay, and now let's refresh, and this thing should be gone because we have activated the thing from the main website, the admin website. Okay guys, now as you can see, that error is gone, and now it says start with adding a banner to gain profile progress. Okay, so first let's see how our profile looks like. So just open this thing in a new tab. Okay, as you can see, here is the icon. We don't have any banner image, and here's some details, and we don't have any products either. Okay, so come back over here under dashboard and click on this edit account. Okay, here you can change your password and so on, your name, last name, email address. Okay, but we want to change this thing. We want to add a banner and image and so on. So for that, come back and click on this settings. Okay, now here we get all those options. Upload a banner. So let's upload a banner from here. Select image. Okay, so all the images which I have used in my demo website, I have all those things over here, and I'll give you a link. You'll see a link in the video description below. You'll get all these images, all the codes, whatever I have used in my website, in my demo website. You will get all those things from that link. Okay, so make sure you click on that link. Now let us see where is that image. Okay, this is the image, banner 7. Click on open. Click on select and crop. Okay, let's select the crop section. Okay, now click on crop image. Okay, now we have the banner. Now let's select a profile picture. Click on upload photo. Again, upload files, select files, and this is the profile picture. Click on open. Okay, select and crop. Okay, it will crop this image. Click on crop image. We have this. You can change your store name and all those information, street name and so on from here. Now click on update settings. Okay, so all our settings have been updated. Now let's come back to the dashboard from here. Okay, we don't see anything over here. Okay, now let's see how to add a new product from a seller's or a vendor's perspective. So click on over here products. Now we have this option, add a new product, just click on that. Now let's come back to the demo website and see, let's add this product. Okay, so let's copy the title. Okay, now this here your title will come. Let's see the price. The price is 79, which is discounted price. Okay, so the original price is 99 and the discounted price is 79. Now we have to upload a product cover image. Okay, this is the product cover image. Okay, fine. So we have to upload this image. Click on upload from here. Choose file. And under products, you will see all those images which I have used. Okay, here is the image which I have used. So just select this one and click on open. Now click on set featured image. Now you can also add few more images. For example, let's see the demo website. Here you have few more images as gallery images. So we can also add that. Just click on this plus button, upload files, select files. Now let's select these 3 images and click on open. Now click on add to gallery. So we also have 3 gallery images and we have few categories over here. So this comes under category, okay, computer and accessories. And if this is not the category, then we can create different categories from the main website and we can add those categories over here. Okay, I'll show you in a moment. Okay, scroll down and you have to enter short description about this product. This is the short description. Okay, this is the product short description. So let's copy this thing, come back over here and paste in over here. Now click on create product. Okay, now let me show you how to put in different categories. Okay, so come back to the main website where you have the demo, the dashboard. Okay, now under WooCommerce, you'll see under products, you will see these categories. So just click on categories. And from here, you can create different categories. For example, this was game console, which will come under gaming category something. Okay, so just create a new category, gaming. Okay, and click on add new category. Now under gaming comes game console. Okay, so just type in game console. Okay, now from parent category, select gaming. Okay, and click on add new category. So basically game console comes under gaming. Now again come back over here, refresh the website. Now the seller will get more options. Okay, so make sure you have to create all those categories by yourself. Okay, now when we see over here, here is the category option. When we see, we have more options. Here is the game console. So let's select game console. Okay, here is the short description, then here is the long description. Which is the long description? Let's come back to the demo website again. Let's scroll down, and when we click on this description, this is the long description. Okay, so let's copy this thing, just copy it and paste it over here. Okay, so this is the product long description. Then we have more options like SKU, stock keeping unit. Basically it is the warehouse thing, so let's add WH1. Okay, in stock or it is out of stock. So we will say this product is in stock. Okay, and when you click on enable product stock management, here when you see in the demo website, you have 14 in stock. So this is how it will come on the website when you click on this enable stock management. Okay, now put in quantity 14 or 15, whatever you want to do. Now here is the option which says allow back orders. It is at present to do not allow. You can also click on allow. Okay, basically what is back orders? Suppose your product is out of stock, you have sold the whole quantity which is 14, we have set that to 14. Now the product is out of stock, but still we can allow the customer to place order. Okay, so that is called back orders. Okay, then we have this shipping and tax options. We can select the weight of the product, for example 200 grams, length for example 10 centimeter, width for example 4 centimeter, height for example 10 centimeter. Okay, then we have shipping classes. Suppose it comes under bulky class, then we can select bulky class, or obviously you can create different classes. Okay, if no classes is selected, the basic thing which we set to $2, that will be applied. For example, no shipping class is selected, then those $2 which we created, if you remember, that will be applied. Okay, whether this product is taxable or not, so you can select none if this product is not taxable, but this is taxable, obviously mobile phones, so click on taxable, and from here you have to select GST. Okay, the tax class will be GST. Now we have attributes. This is not for simple product, because this is a simple product. For example, here if you see, product type is simple, and attributes and so on are for variable products, which we'll create now after this product. This is just a simple product, so at present it is pending. Okay, visibility is fine. Now click on save product. Okay, so this is how your seller will add a simple product. Now again, after saving all these changes, still it says pending review, because this product is added by the seller, but it is not live on the website. Okay, it is not published. You as the admin will have to go through the product and see whether everything is fine, and if you're satisfied, you can publish this product. Okay, so let's do that. Come back to the main website, come back to the dashboard, and under products, here you'll see, click on all products, and here is the game console, as you can see. And if you see, the author name is also given over here. Okay, now what you can do, here it will show pending. So this is pending. We haven't actually made this thing as published, so just click on edit over here. Okay, if you want to make some changes, if you think that seller did some mistake, then you can make some changes by yourself also. From here you can change the category, image, whatever you want. You can add some tags by yourself. For example, let's add a new tag called game. So we have added a tag, so you can also do some changes if you want. And if you're satisfied with this product, just click on publish. Now this product will be live on your website. Okay, now again come back to the seller dashboard. Here it says pending review. Now let's refresh this website. And as you can see, now it says online, so the product is now online. Okay, so this is how you create a product in a multi-vendor website. This is how a user or a seller will be creating a product. Okay, and suppose if he wants to create a variable product. What is a variable product? See, variable product is basically, for example, you take an iPhone, you have iPhone 64 GB, you have iPhone 32 GB, so those are different variable products. You have two varieties, so that is a variable product. So to create a variable product, everything is same except for few steps. For example, instead of product type, you have to select variable. Okay, now you can select different category for if you want. Okay, then coming down, everything rest will be fine except this thing. Now we have the custom attribute. You'll click on add attribute. Okay, now we can name this attribute. For example, we can name it as memory. This is game console. Obviously you will not have this memory options, but I'm just showing you how to add a variable product. For example, we can put 32 GB. Okay, then put this icon, the pipe icon. Okay, now put 64 GB. Okay, so basically now we have two different values, and make sure this is tick marked, use for variations over here. Okay, now click on save attributes. Okay, as you can see, when we clicked on save attributes, now we are getting this variation options. Okay, so just click on that and select this option, create variation from all attributes, and click on go. Okay, click on OK. Okay, now as you can see, we have two different options, 32 GB, 64 GB. Now you can expand this thing from here. Okay, now we can change the price. For example, for 32 GB, this is the 32 GB variation. Suppose we are setting this to $100. Okay, and now just expand this one 64 GB, and we can set this price to around $150, whatever you want. Okay, this is just for the sake of demonstration. Now what you can do is just click on save product. Okay, it says successfully the product has been saved successfully. Now you can view this product. Let's view this product in a new tab. Okay guys, so this is how your product will look like. Okay, we have the option memory, then we have two options, 32 GB. When we select 32 GB, the price changes. When we select 64 GB, the price changes. Okay, so this is how you create this kind of product. Okay, so this is how the seller will be creating different products, whether it be simple product or variable product. Okay, so again, let's come back to the seller dashboard. So we saw the products. Now let's see orders. Click on orders. At present it says there is no order found, so let's come back to our website over here. Okay, refresh this website. Now let's place an order and see how it happens. So this is the product we created. Let's click on this product. Okay, now let's click on add, just select anything, 32 GB, click on add to cart. Okay, it says has been added to cart. Now click on view cart over here. So we have this product, we have two different products in our cart. Let's delete this one. We want only this one. Let's increase this quantity to 6. Okay, now click on proceed to checkout. Now let's fill in some different informations. Okay, I think all the informations are automatically filled. Okay, now let's select cash on delivery. Okay, here you'll see this flat rate, regular shipping, different options, and here you also see the GST options. The GST is applied on this, the tax which we created, the tax, this is applied over here. So we are getting all the information. The product price is $100, subtotal is $100. Okay, then the GST and everything is placed over here. Now just click on place order. Okay, so it says order received, order number and everything. You have all this information over here. Okay, from a customer's point of view, you have your billing information, shipping information, your order number and product, what was the product, and so on. Now let's come back over here on the seller dashboard and refresh this page, the orders page. And now as you can see, we have an order, okay, which is order number 49. This is the order. Okay, so on and so forth. Now we can see this order. So just click on this icon. Okay, here you can see his email address, his phone number, his customer IP and so on. And we also see his billing address. So this is the address on which we'll be, or the seller will be providing the product. Okay, so he'll use this product and he can also add a note. Okay, these are the two different email address which he got, the customer got. Okay, now we can suppose when we have shipped this product, when we have shipped this product to the customer, we can add a note, and from here select customer note and click on add note. So he will get that email address that his product has been shipped. Okay, so that is how you do. Now let's come back to the orders. So suppose once the customer has got the product, what you can do is just click on this button. Okay, now the order status has changed to completed. You have to click on that button only when the customer has received the product. Okay, now let's come to the coupons. At present there are no coupons found, so let's add a new coupon. Okay, so let's give it a title, for example, okay, discount 10, so 10%. Okay, let's add a description, get 10% off. Okay, now product discount or product percentage discount. So we are giving 10% discount, so we'll select product percentage discount, and under amount type in 10%. Okay, and you can restrict certain emails from using this coupon. Okay, you can set an expiry date for this coupon. Okay, you can select a minimum amount. For example, the person has to make a minimum of $100 purchase, only then he will get this 10% discount if he uses this coupon code. And you can select this coupon code only for certain products. Okay, so this is very important. And this is also very important, exclude sales item. Make sure this is tick marked, because suppose we are giving the product is already on sales, so we don't want the user or the customer to use this coupon code on this product which is already on sale and get more discount. Okay, so make sure this is check marked, and after that click on create coupon. Okay, it says please specify any product. We haven't specified any product, so just click on that and let's select this product and click on create coupon. Okay, so coupon has been saved successfully. Now let's go to reports. As you can see, we have done a sales of around $100 and with the average daily sales of $3. Okay, we can see sales by day, top selling, top earning, and all these things. Now click on reviews. We haven't got any review yet, so we won't see anything over here. Now let's see the withdrawn option. Okay, it says current balance is 0, minimum withdrawn amount is $100, where withdrawn threshold is 7 days. Okay, so we cannot withdraw the money right now. So let's go to settings. And we saw these settings options earlier while we were seeing the demo website. We can change the payment option and so on. Okay guys, so this is how a seller will be using your website for creating a new account, for creating a product, for seeing different reviews, for seeing or changing the order status, for seeing the billing address of the customer, and so on. So this is very, very, very important. Okay, this was the most important part of the tutorial. Now let's start creating the website, the front end website. For example, let's see how our website looks like right now. Let's go to the home page. Okay guys, so this is how our website looks like right now. We have made this website a multi-vendor website, but we haven't actually created the website. So let's start doing that. Okay, for that, let's come back to our website. Okay, now come back to the dashboard. Now first we have to create some categories. For example, let's see the demo website. As you can see, this is the demo website and we have some categories over here at this side, at the left hand side. And when we hover any category, we can see this looks really amazing. You know, this is when all the categories, we see an image and we see all these things written over here. So this is just an amazing website. Okay, so let's start creating these categories first. Okay, so come back to your dashboard. Hover products, and under products you'll see these categories. Click on that. Now let's see, it is cameras, audios, and video. So let's create the first one, cameras and audios. Let's make cameras and audios. Leave everything as blank. Okay, and click on add new category. Okay, that is added. Now next one is car, motorbikes, and industrial. So just car and motorbikes. Okay, click on add new category. The next category is computer and accessories. Okay, I'll put just computer just to save time. I don't want to keep on typing everything. Click on add new category. Then we have mobiles and tablets. Okay, add new category. Then we have movies, TV, and watches. Okay, movies, TVs, watches. Okay, Now click on add new category. So we have successfully created all the categories. Now it's time to create this jumbotron. This is called jumbotron. When we hover this particular category, you see this thing, this whole thing over here. We have some different first few subcategories under camera, audios and videos. We have 2 subcategories. Then we also have this image over here. So let's start creating that. For that, come back to your website. Here you have static content. Hover that and click on add new. Okay, so first one is cameras. So let's name this as cameras. Okay, let's publish this thing, because first we have to enable Visual Builder for that. So for that, scroll down over here. Here you'll see Visual Composer, where it is. Visual Composer, click on Role Manager under Visual Composer. Okay, and under post type here, at present it is selected pages only. Select this, select custom, and now select everything, post, product and static block, and click on save changes. Okay, now again come back to static content. Okay, this is the one we created, cameras. Click on edit. Now as you can see, we get this option Visual Composer. Just click on backend editor. Okay, now click on add element and search for image, single image. Select this one, and let's see what image we have under cameras. This is the image. Okay, all these images are there. As I said, you'll see a link in the video description. Go to that link, you'll find all these images. Okay, so just select this image from here, click on select file. Now let's see add blocks, this which was the image. Okay, departmental menu, this is the image. Okay, select this camera, click on open, click on set image. Okay, now click on save changes. Now click on this pencil button to edit the row. Now scroll down to the bottom, and last option you'll see extra class name. Now over there put in bg-yamm-content. Okay, so make sure you put this exact thing, bg-yamm-content, content. Now click on save changes. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to add these things, these different options over here. Okay, so for that, again come back over here, click on this plus button now to add an element, and now select this text block. Okay, now we have to add these things over here. Now let me first open my website blog2.com, and let me show you the link which I'm always talking about. I said there is a link in the video description where you'll find all the images, codes and everything. So this is the link. When you'll click on that link, you will be redirected to this particular link. Okay, so when you have this theme, you have images over here. So when you click on this images download, you'll get a file. There everything is present, the codes and everything which I have used, the images, everything which I have used on this demo website. Okay, so again come back over here and let me show you that file. Okay, so this is the CSS file. Here there is a code. This file is also present in that folder. It says static block. Just select this much. Okay, click on copy this thing, come back to your website over here, and under text block delete everything and paste this thing. Now click on save changes, and as you can see over here, we have 2 different columns. This is the first column, this is the second column. So we have to add another column. Okay, and obviously here just edit, and you can edit all the thing. For example, here it is audio and video. You can change this title, you can put in your own title. Here you have all audio and video. Okay, for example, here you see all audio and video, everything. So you can change those things, you can put in your own title. It's all up to you. Now click on save changes, and here as you see, we have 2 columns. As I said, now we have to make this thing as 2 columns. So hover here, the second option which says half plus half, just click on that. So now we have two different columns. Now click on this plus button to add an element in this next column, and again search for text block, select this thing. Okay, now again paste that code, but we don't want this many thing over here, we want only 2-3 things. So what I'll do, I'll delete the rest of this thing and click on save changes. Okay, now click on update. Okay guys, so similarly you can create for all these different menus. We have created for cameras and so on, and you can create for all these different menus. So now I'll pause this video because I don't want to waste your time and my time creating the same things again and again. Okay, so you know how to create this now, and you can create as many different menus, status block as you want. Okay, so let's see you guys after a short interval. Okay guys, as you can see, I have created all these static contents over here. Okay, so once you do so, now it's time to create this menu and put all these things over here. Okay, fine. So let's come back to your dashboard, our appearances, and click on menus. Okay, now we need to create a new menu. So obviously click on create a new menu. And let's name this as departments. Okay. Now click on create menu. Okay, the first thing which you need to make sure is that click on this all departments menu. Okay, now it's time to add all these things over here. So for that you'll see everything over here in the under categories. Click on view all. Okay, we haven't, okay, no, this is not the categories we want product categories. Okay, so select these options over here and select product categories because we have created some product categories. Also, so click on view all and select these categories: computer and accessories, okay, car and gaming and so on, whatever we did. Okay, gaming was not there, I think. Mobile TVs, watches. Now click on add to menus. Okay, but if you see above all these things, we have 3 more options over here: value of the day, top 100 offers, new arrivals. So let's add those things also. Click on custom links over here and just put in hashtag sign for now. And the thing is value of the day. In the link text, type in value of the day. Okay, now click on add to menu. Basically, instead of this hashtag sign over here, you have to put in the URL where you want your users to go when they click on value of the day. Okay, so this is how that is what it wants. And now just drag this thing to the top and also highlight this and icon class. Okay, we want CSS class. We are not getting the CSS class options over here. So again, click on this screen options and select this CSS classes. Again, come back. Now as you can see, we have new option which says CSS classes. Under that, type in highlight. Okay, now similarly create 2 different menus: top 100 offers and new arrivals. So put in hashtag sign top 100 offers, okay, new arrivals. Click on add to menu and bring these things, both the menus to the top. Okay, and again expand this thing and under CSS classes put in highlight. Okay, why are we putting highlight over there? Because as you can see, these 3 things are different, they are bold in. So that is the CSS class that will make all these things, all these 3 menus bold. Okay, fine. Now if you see under cameras and audios, we have different options over here. Okay, so let's put that thing also. Okay, now as you can see under cameras and options, we have this static block which we created. So let's add that. So under cameras and options, go to static block from here. Okay, we don't have that option also. So again, go to screen options and here it is, static content blocks. Tick this thing. Okay, now we should have this. Here it is. So first is cameras. So select this cameras and click on add to menu. Here it is. Now drag this thing and make this thing under cameras and audios. Now cars. So add this thing again and drag this thing under cars. Now we have watches and eyewear. It will be under watches. Then we have TV and audio, which will be under TVs. Okay. Then we have mobiles and tablets, which will be under mobiles over here. Okay. Then we have cameras and audio and video. So it will be under cameras. Where is cameras? Let's see. Here it is. Okay, we have already added that, I think. It was not needed. Just remove this thing, extra one. Okay, then we have computer and accessories. Computer and accessories will come under computer and accessories. Okay. Then we have movies and so on. So just it will come under movies. Okay. Now after this, the work is not done yet. Now what we have to do, you have to select this top one, the category one, open this thing, and under CSS classes type in YAMM-TFW. Okay, for all the things. So just copy this. It is YAMM-TFW. Now under all the categories, put in this thing. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay guys, so I think it is fine, and now just click on save menu, and I hope everything should be fine. Now come back to your website, refresh the website, and let's see the changes. Okay, now click on over here. Okay, it is not getting clicked. Okay, do one thing, select this thing also, department menu, and now click on save menu. Again, come back to your website, refresh the website. Now again click over here. Now as you can see, everything looks fine, everything is awesome. We are not getting this thing because we have to change the header. As you can see, the header over here is totally different, whereas the header over here is different. Okay, so let's change the header. Come back to your dashboard. Here you'll see Electro option over here. Under Electro you'll see header. Just click on header. Okay, now under header style, it is selected header volume version 1. Select the header version 1. Okay, now click on save changes, and there are different changes which you can do over here. For example, support and these things over here. For example, if you see over here, if there is any support and all these things which we had in the second one, if you want to change all these things, make changes over here. Okay, your number, your this and all those things will be changed from here. Now click on save changes. Again, come back to your website, refresh, and we should see the changes now. Okay, as you can see, the changes have taken place. Now what we have to do, we have to create a home page and start making this slider and all these things. Okay, so come back to your dashboard, hover pages over here, and click on add new. Now give any title. For example, let's give a title of home page. Okay, now click on publish. Okay, now come back to your website, the main website, click on customize. Now scroll down, you'll see this static front page. Select that and select this one, a static page, and select the front page and select the home page which you have just created. Here it is. Okay, now click on save and publish. Now click on this X button. Okay, so now as you can see, everything looks fine and similar to this website. Okay, as you can see, now most of the things look similar. Now what we have to do, we have to create this thing, the slider. So let's do that. So for that, again, come back to your dashboard, Scroll down, here you'll see slider revolution. Just click on slider revolution. Now click on new slider. Okay, make sure default slider is selected from here. Now you can name this slider anything. For example, we are naming it as slider 1. Same thing for here, slider 1, put the same thing. Okay, now scroll down and select full width from here. Okay, now we have to change all these things, all these dimensions. So for the first one, it will be 1170 into 485. Okay, and for the second one, first make this thing on custom grid size and change this thing also to 1170 into 490. Okay, or 485, same thing. Now the third one, here it is. Okay, again click on this and select 778 into 324. Okay, and this last one, here select 680 into 320. Sorry, where it is. Okay, here it is, 680 into 320. Now come back over here and click on save changes. Now again come over here, slider settings, click on here. Okay, scroll down. We have to add some custom CSS. Okay, so you'll see over here the top code. This page is obviously, these codes are available on my website. So copy this thing, come over here, add this thing under custom CSS. Fine. Now scroll up. Here you'll see some different settings, the general setting and so on. So click on layout and visual. Okay, and select this thing, show background image. Okay, now we have to upload a background image. As you can see here, there is a background image to the slider, so let's upload that. Click on upload files. Okay, slider, this is the background image. Click on insert. Fine. Now here make sure it is cover, and here it is non-repeat, and here it is center. Okay, so this was for layout and visual setting. Now we have navigation settings. Okay, where is it? Click on navigation, click on enable arrows and click on enable bullets. Okay, now again minimize this and click on save changes. Okay, now click on over here, slide editor. Now we'll start creating these slides, different slides. So let's first create this slide, the first slide. Let's see what is the first slide. This is the one. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, if you could see, I don't know, there is a line over here, a colorful line, blue color line. So we have to keep everything under these two lines. Okay, so the first thing is an image, this watch image. So let's add that. Click on add layer and select image. Okay, click on upload files. Okay, so this is the image we want. Select this, click on open. Okay, now click on insert. Okay, so this image is way too big. Okay, we want a smaller image. So what you can do is we can just decrease the size of the image. Okay, fine. So when you click on this image, you have all these things, different options, height, width and so on. So what you can do is we can change these things. So under height, just make this 500 pixels. Okay, now everything is fine. Okay, the image is quite big, you have to change those settings and make sure the image is under this line, this colorful line. So we have our image. Now let's see what we need. Okay, fine. Now it says the new standard. Okay, where it is gone? Here it is, the new standard. Okay, so let's add that text first. Click on add layer, click on text HTML and select this and type in your own text the new standard. So the new is a different text and standard is a different text. Okay, so just type in the new, click on this OK button. Now we have to add some changes over here. So as you can see here, there are different options: font size, font height. So under font size, make this thing as 66 pixels. Okay, and under font height, make this thing as 52 pixels, and under bold, make this thing 300 because we want a very thin image. Okay, now here is the color option. As you can see here, it is something like gray color. So select these color options. I have my own code for that. Okay, a custom code which is #333 E48 E48. Okay, so this is the color which I have used. Just click on this tick mark. Okay, now put this thing over here. Okay, again let's see that image. Next one is standard. Okay, so click on add a library. Okay, let's do one thing, just copy this thing so that we don't have to do most of the changes. Most of the settings for those are same. So just select this and click on this copy. Okay, new thing will be copied. Now what we have to do, we just have to change the text. So double click on that and change this text to standard. Okay, now everything should be fine except for this as you can see, the height should be smaller so that both the thing are aligned at the same thing. Okay, so let's change this height to 55. Okay, now as you can see, now both the thing look similar. Now we have to add another thing which is under favorable. Okay, what it is, under favorable smartwatches. Okay, this is annoying. Under favorable smartwatches, so let's add that. Again, add layer, text, and type in your text. Fine. Now click on this button, make this thing, put this thing over here. Now again we have to change all the size and so on. So the font size is 15 pixels, font height is 22, which is fine, and this is 800. This is very bold. As you can see in this is very bold, so this is 800, and then the color is same. Okay, which was #333 E48. Okay, now click on this plus button. Okay, now everything looks fine. Then we have from $749. So let's add from first. Add a new layer, text, and type in from. Okay, now this is a very thin theme, a very small font, so just font size will be 14. Font height is 22, which is fine. This is 400, which is fine. Let's just add this thing, a new color, and we have to put a consistent color for all these things. So I am putting all the same color again and again. Okay, now bring this thing over here. Okay, fine. Okay, now we have, where it is gone. Now we have $749. Okay, let's add that. $749. Okay, now this is a very big and bold text, so it will be 56 pixels font size. Font height will be 52. Okay, boldness will be, font weight will be 700, and the color will be the same color obviously. Now just okay, and bring this thing over here. Fine. Now this last thing is start buying. It is a button. Okay, so we can add a button from here. Click on add layer, and from here select button. Okay, you can change the color of the button, background color, anything, yellow, whatever color you want. Okay, click on this button. You can change the text and text color. For example, let's make the text color as black. Select any black from here, click on save changes. You can change the text also, and now you can select the button. So let's select this one. Okay, let's bring this thing over here. Okay, so we have successfully created this, but this is not the end. We have to add more things over here. And let's bring everything closer so that we don't mess around with this thing. Everything closer to this image, and over here, fine, the button, fine. Okay, so first let's save changes so that we don't miss any of our changes. Now we have to add animations and timing. For example, if you see when it changes, the timing differs. First this comes, then the text come, and then at the last the button comes. Okay, so the timing differs, the animation are different. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's come back. The first thing is the image. Okay, this is the image. So here is or you can just click on this image and this thing will get selected. Okay, now we have different settings. Just click on this edit first. Frame start, duration. So when should this animation start and for how long the animation should be there. Okay, so these are different settings. So we are setting 500 milliseconds, which means half a second. It should start, the image should come after half a second, and the animation should be for 1500 seconds, which is for 1.5 seconds. Okay, click on this OK. Now you can just leave this thing as it is. Now select this thing, the text, the new text. Now you can also change the timing for this one. So basically we want the new text, this is this text to come after the image, then we want this text. So one after one, this all text will be coming. Okay, so for the new text we are setting timing. Just click on this edit. It will come at 800 milliseconds, and it will go for 300 milliseconds. Okay, now we have the other text, which is the standard text. So you can click on this standard. Okay, and click on this edit. Okay, now it will obviously start after the first text, so it will start exactly at 1 second, and this animation will be for 300 milliseconds. So click on OK. Then we have under favorable. Click on this, click on the edit button. It will start at 1.2 seconds, which is 1200 milliseconds. Okay, then we have from text. Click on edit and change the timing, 1400 milliseconds. Okay, then we have this text, the $749 text. This will also start at the same time. Okay, 1400 milliseconds. And then we have the last button. Okay, so this button will come at last, which is at 1.6 seconds, which is 1600 milliseconds. Okay, so we have set all the timings. Now what we can do, we can also set different animation for different things. For example, let's select this image. Now come to animations. Okay, for example, fade in is selected, and you can select different animation and you will see those changes over here. Okay, as you can see, it is coming from bottom, rotate from 0, and so on. So you can select different animation. You can select the new one and again select any animation. Okay, and you can see the changes. Okay, this is how it will look. So you can select animation for all the different text and so on, and after you're satisfied, just click on save slide. So we have successfully created one slide. Similarly, you can click on this add new slide and you can create different slides. We have created 3 slides. Basically now you know how to create a slide and you can create different slides similarly. Okay, fine guys, and I won't be wasting my time and your time creating the same slide again and again 3 times, because it is taking a lot of time. Okay, so again I'll pause this video, I'll create the remaining 2 slides, then I'll continue. Okay guys, so I have successfully created the slider. Now it's time to add the slider on our home page. Okay, so for that, Come back over here under pages, click on pages. Now select the home page, click on edit, click on backend editor, click on add element, and now search for slider revolution. Select the revolution slider from here. Okay, now just select the slider which you want and click on save changes. Now click on update. Come back to your website, refresh the website, and hopefully we should see the changes. Okay guys, as you can see, we have this slider, but we also have this thing home page. We don't want this. Okay, we want to remove this thing, so let's do that. Again, come back to your to this page, backend editor, and when you scroll down, you will see this option, hide page editor. Okay, just tick mark that, click on update, and again come back to your website, refresh, and everything should be fine. Okay, that home page is gone. Now this looks awesome. Okay, now the next step is to add these things, the ad blocks. These are called ad blocks. Okay, so for that, again come back to this page, the backend, click on this plus button to add a new element, search for ad blocks. This is the one, ad block. Okay, first add an image. Let's see the image. This is the camera image. Okay, this is the image. Select this image, click on set image. Then you have different option, caption text, action text. So this is the caption text, catch big deals on cameras. Okay, so copy this thing, paste it over here. But if you see the deals is bold, it is the weighted. So what you can do to make that thing, just put this code before deal, strong, type strong. Okay, and after deals, type this thing, close this strong. Okay, so this is how it should look. Deals should be under strong tag. Okay, so this is how it will look. Now click on save changes. Now as you can see, we have three different columns. So hover over here and select this one, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay, now we have three different columns. Now what you have to do, we have again we have to click on add element and click on add block. Now this time it is this computers, tablets, smartphones and more. Okay, we missed this thing, shop now. Let's see how to do that. First let's add the image. This is the image. Okay, hopefully, yeah, this is the image. Click on set image. Okay, now let's add the caption text, and here this time and more is under strong text. Okay, so let's add strong before and after and more. Fine. Okay, now here is the action text. So this is the action text. It says up to 70. Okay, so let's put up to 70. Okay, and then we can put an action link. Whenever someone clicks on that text, where is the link he should be redirected to. Okay, so click on save changes. Let's do those changes over here also. It was shop now. So action text should be shop now. Link will be this. Save changes. Again click on add block. Okay, this time it is shop the hottest products, and we have this image, set image, caption text, and this time hottest is under strong code. Okay, fine. The action text is shop now, and link is just a hashtag sign. Save changes. Click on update. Come back to your website, refresh, and we should see those changes now. Okay, as you can see guys, now we are seeing those changes. Now it's time to add this section, but before adding this section, we obviously need to create few products because these are different products. We have created one product, but that is from a seller's perspective. How I'll show you how a seller will be able to add a product. Now we'll see how you as an admin can add a product. Okay, so again, come back to your dashboard, how our products, click on add new. Now let's add this product. Okay, let's copy this title, paste in over here. Then we have the product short description, just copy it from here and come at the bottom. Here we have product short description, paste it over here. Okay, then it is $68, so let's put in the price over here, $68. But let's first put the long description here. The long description will come, so let's scroll down and here you'll see the description tag. Just copy everything from here, okay, and paste it over here. Now select the categories. This is a notebook, okay, so it will come under laptops maybe, so select laptops. You can add some tags if you want. You can add a product image. This is the product image. Okay, this one is the product image, so let's click on set product image and select that. This is the one, select set product image. Okay, now here is the simple product. Okay, the price is $68. Okay, now the sale price is $68 and the actual price is maybe $86. Okay, so it is taxable. We'll select the GST tax class. Okay, product layout, product style, inventory, SKU, you can select any SKU, fine. Then you have shipping. You have to put in the weight, dimension of the class, select any class. If this is a bulky product, select the bulky class. Okay, shipping class. Now you can add some linked products. You have attributes. We won't be adding these attributes because this is not for simple product. This is for variable products, and I showed you how to do this while we were doing the seller thing, how a seller can create a variable product. So this is the same thing, but still I'll give a link to a video where I have shown how to create different type of products. Okay, so make sure you watch that video also. It will be there in the video description below. Okay, what is this accessories? Okay, as I showed you, when you see a product, below that product there will be few suggestions. Okay, so this is how, because we haven't created any product, we cannot add any accessories. Okay, but if you have created some products, you can add those products. It will come under this product. Okay, so it will be under over here and you will get these options, 3 different products added and so on. Okay, now specifications. This is the specifications. Okay, so you can just copy and paste it over there. Okay, so while doing so, you'll get a new tab which will say specifications, and you can put all the specifications over here. Okay, now everything is fine. If you want, you can add some product gallery images. Okay, it will be under this image. You'll see some few images over here, product gallery, so you can also do that. I'm going very fast because I don't want to waste time in creating this product because we have already seen these things while creating these seller products. Okay, and I'll also, as I said you, I'll also give you link to videos where you can see those things in detail. Okay, this is not main important. The main important thing is creating the website and obviously making this website a multi-vendor, which we have seen how to do that. Now just click on publish. Okay, so we have successfully created one product, but we have to create many products because then only we can add different products on our home page. Okay, for example, let me show you that. For example, this is the demo website home page and we have so many different products. So first we'll have to create those products. Now what I'll do, I'll pause this video again and I'll add some products and then we'll continue. Okay guys, as you can see, I have added few products over here. Okay, so once we have added the product, now we can proceed further. Now let's add this section, but as you can see, it is a scheduled section. There is a timer, sales timer, which means within 5 days if you purchase, you will get this amount of sale. Okay, so for that, first let's edit this product and make this timer accessible. Okay, so come to products. This is the product. Just click on edit, scroll down. Okay, now here you'll see this schedule option. Just select that, select the from date and select the to date, till when you want this sale to be accessible. Okay, now click on update. Okay guys, once you have done, now let's add this section. So for that, again, come back to your website. Okay, open this page, the home page, in a new tab. Okay, now click on this plus button and select Electro on sales. Okay, Electro on sale product. So this is the one. Okay, now you can have a title which says special offer. So just copy this thing and paste it over here. Show savings. Basically this is what it will show over here. Okay, in amount, saving text, you can put any amount if you are saving. Product choice, recent product or random product or a specific product. We'll add a specific product. Okay, so this was the product, and when you see this product over here you have this code in the URL bar which says 46. Just copy that and paste it over here and click on save changes. Okay, but here if you see, this is divided into two different sections. This section, okay, there is a column and there is another column. So let's divide this thing, come back to the page and hover over here, and that is not there by default, so we will have to create a custom. So hover here and click on custom, and from here type in 1/3 plus 2/3. Okay, so this is what you have to type and click on update. Now everything is fine. Now click on this add plus button, and now let's see what we have. We have this things, this tab option, featured, on sale, top rated. So we have to select product tabs. Okay, product tabs. Okay, where it is? Here it is, product tabs. And you can we have to select the tab 1 title, which is featured products. Fine, and from here select featured products. Okay, now the second one is on sale products, so select on sale from here, and from here also select on sale products. The third one is top rated products. Okay, come back, select the third tab title, on sale, and from here also select, okay, it is top rated, I'm sorry, and select top rated products. Okay, now click on save changes and click on update. Now come back to your website and refresh this website. Okay, now let's scroll down. Okay, as you can see, now we have this option over here. Okay, it is showing the timer over here, and we have this thing, 3 different products on featured product. When we click on sale, we have different products, top rated products, but we are seeing only 3 products and we should be seeing 6 products, as you can see over here. So again, come back to this page, the edit page, and click on this setting, this pencil button, and we should be seeing, okay, enter product items, enter column items. So enter product items, just enter 6 over here and click on save changes, click on update. Hopefully, I hope now everything should be fine. Refresh this website. Okay, now we have 6 different products. Fine. Okay, now we have 6 different products over here. So we have done this thing. Now let's see the next section. Okay, this is the next section. This section is called 212 section. Okay, so let's add that. Come back to this page over here, click on this plus button and select 212 product 212 grid. Okay, select this one. You can enter a title. Do we have a title over here? No, we don't have. Okay, it says best deals, best deals. Okay, and you can select which type of product to show: featured product, on sale product. If you leave, then any regular product will be shown. For example, we want to show only featured products over here. Okay, then, or if you want only specific product to be shown, you can type in the product IDs of those products. Okay, now number of categories to display. For example, here there is 1 2 3 4 5 categories, so let's put in 5 categories over here. You can order it by different criteria. Okay, fine, everything looks fine. Click on save changes, click on update. Now again, come back to this website and okay, this was not the website. Come back to our website, refresh the website, and we should see the changes. Okay guys, as you can see, now we can see this 212 section also. Now let's see the another section which we will have to add. Okay, so this is this section, the best seller section. Okay, so again, come back to this page, scroll down, click on this plus button and search for cart carousel. Okay, product cart carousel, this is the one we want. Okay, now we can add this title, best seller. Okay, then you can have these rows, columns and so on. Product shortcode, what kind of product to be shown, which we'll just put in products. Okay, have no products, allow. Okay, now click on save changes, click on update, come back to your website, refresh the website. Okay guys, we can see this thing, but this thing looks totally different from this one. I think we have missed some changes over here. So again, come back to this website, this edit page, click on this pencil button, and here it is says rows and options. So let's see the demo website. Here we have 2 rows and 3 different columns. So let's put 2 rows, 3 columns. Show carousel navigation, click on allow, because here it is, so as you can see, we have this navigation options. Okay, show top text, we can say allow. Show categories, allow. Limit, okay, then we can type in 3. Okay, number of categories to display 3. Okay, limits will be the number of products to display, for example 20 products, and number of categories to display will be 3. Click on save changes, click on update, and hopefully this should help us. Just refresh the website. Okay, now it looks awesome, exactly like the demo website. Okay, now the last section, hopefully, yeah, this is the last section, which is the recently added section. So let's add that section. Again, come back to this page, click on this plus button and select recently added. Okay, recent products. Okay, not this one. Now click on this plus button and select Electro product carousel. Okay, where is that now? Electro products carousel, fine, select this one, and from here product shortcode, select recent products, fine, and rest everything is fine. Just click on save changes. Now click on update. Again, come back to the website, refresh, and we should see all these changes over here. Okay, we can see this, but as you can see, there is no title, nothing, so we forgot to put the title. Just copy this title. Again, come back over here, just edit this, enter title, click on save changes, click on update. Now everything will be fine. Just refresh the website. Okay, now we can see this looks awesome now, and this is already here. Okay, now we have to do some changes over here in the footer section, and we also have to remove this section. Okay, so come back to your dashboard, and before that, let's add this thing, the menus. Okay, this menu, we haven't put this menu yet. As you can see, this is blank right now. So come back to your website, hover appearances, click on menus, click on create a new menu, and just name it anything. I'm naming it as secondary because this is secondary menu. Click on create menu. Okay, so first make sure you tick mark the secondary nav. Now what all we have super deals, featured brands, trending styles, whatever you have, and this is also part of the menu. Okay, so let's start adding those. So go to custom links. The first one is super deals. Okay, so just put in any URL you want this to redirect to. Just put in super deals over here, click on add to menu. Then we have featured brands. Then we have trending styles. Then we have gift cards. Okay, then the last one is free shipping on orders over $50. Okay, so let's put that also. Free shipping over $50. Click on add to menu. Now here everything is fine, but if you see, the first one is a red color and the last menu is just to the extreme right. So we have small codes for that. So again, come back to this menu and open this first one, the super deals one, and under CSS classes just type in highlight. Okay, and now open the last one and under CSS classes just type in pull dash right. Okay, now click on save menu, come back to your website, refresh, and now we should see a menu over here. Okay, fine, now we can see the menu over here. So we have created almost all the menus, the top left, top right, the department menu, secondary menu. Okay, now with this we have completed the home page. Okay guys, now let's see the sidebar, the shop sidebar. For example, let's open any product. Let's open this product. And as you can see, there is no sidebar over here. Okay, whereas when you open the demo website and you open any product, we'll see a sidebar. Okay, here is the sidebar. So let's open and add this sidebars. So again, come back to your website, to the dashboard, and under appearances you will see widgets. Just click on that. And the first one is product categories. Okay, fine. So under it will be under shop sidebar. Okay, now let's see WooCommerce product categories. Okay, WooCommerce product categories, this is the one, and from here select shop sidebar, click on add widget, click on save. The next one is compare product. We don't have any product, but when we add two different products here and we click on compare, we can compare those two different products. Okay, so let's add the compare thing, WooCommerce compare widget over here. Okay, where is it? WooCommerce compare widget, here it is. Fine, you can put in any title, compare products, click on save. Then we have cart icon, then recently viewed products. Okay, then again come back over here, it should be cart, WooCommerce cart, here it is, add this thing. Okay, then the last one is recently added. Okay, recently viewed, that was, I think, oh yeah, here it is, recently viewed, WooCommerce recently viewed. Click on, and you can decrease this to 5 products. Okay, click on save. Now again come back to your website, refresh this page, and we should see the sidebar over here. Okay, as you can see guys, now we have the sidebar over here. Okay, we haven't seen any products, so that's why we are not seeing the recently viewed. and we don't have any product in the cart, that's why it is not showing, but everything is fine. Okay, so with this we have added the sidebar. Now let's add few more pages. For example, if you see, we have created a few pages. For example, let's see the FAQ page, frequently asked questions page. Okay, this is the one. Let's add this thing. So again, come back to your dashboard, hover pages, click on add new page. Now enter the title as FAQ. Okay, now click on backend editor, add listing, search for FAQ. You'll get this option. Okay, so for example, this is the first question: what shipping method is used? So let's put any question over here. Okay, here it will be the title and here it will be the answer. So this is the title and this one, these two lines are the answer. Okay, so answer will come here, delete this, and the title will come here. Okay, now click on save changes. Now let me copy these things 2-3 times because I don't want to do the same things again and again. So this is how you do that. Okay, now we have to hide the header from here. So just select hide header, page header. Okay, now click on publish. Now let's view this page in a new tab. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. This looks fine. Okay, we have this question, the answer over there, fine. Now we also have created a contact us page. So let's see how to create this contact us page. Okay, so this is the contact us page. So let's see how to create that. Again, come back over here and click on add new page. Enter the title contact us. Okay, again backend editor. Now the first thing is a map. So click on add element, search for map. So here it is, Google Maps. Okay, now what you have to do, open maps or Google Maps over here, map.google, whatever it is, map.google.com, and search for your map. For example, let me search for Sion, Mumbai. So here it is. Now there is an option, when you click on this menu button, you get this option, share or embed map. Just click on that and go to embedded map. Now here there is an iframe code source. Just click on copy this code from here, come back over here and delete this thing and paste in your code. Okay, just save changes. Now click on this plus button. Now what we have to add? We have to add these two sections. The first section, there is a message at the top and then we have a contact page. So let's first add this message. So add a text box. Okay, now let's add this thing. So, okay, fine. For this I have given the code. So when you see this code, there is a contact page. The first, select this one. Okay, copy this much and come back over here and paste it under the text block. Click on save changes. Then below that we have a contact page. So first we have to create a contact 7 page. First let's click on publish. Open this contact, hover this contact and open this add new in a new tab. We have to add a new contact form and come this code page, come to this code page and here you will see contact form code. Okay, so just copy everything till here. Okay, this much, copy this code and name this anything, for example cont. Okay, and select everything, delete it, paste in your own code, click on save. Okay, now again come back to this page, click on this add button, this plus button, search for contact. You'll see contact form 7 from here. Now from here select this cont which we have just created and click on save changes. Okay, now I'll hover here and select half by half plus half because we have two different sections. Okay, but this is not half, I think this is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 maybe. Okay, I think it is okay, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So select this one and now select this thing, add, search for text block, and again this code is also given in this code page. Okay, here it is, contact us page, our store. So select everything, copy, come back over here and paste it over here. Now from here, if you want to change anything, for example, if you want to change this address, then go at the top and here you have the address. Okay, then here, from here you can type in your own address. Similarly, you can replace this email address with your own email address. So let's scroll down. Here is the email address. You can just delete this thing and put in your own email address. Now click on save changes, and again for this also hide the header. Okay, click on update. Now let's view this page in a new tab. Okay guys, so we can see the map, but there is a problem over here. As you can see, where when we see this code and this code, it is just showing the code. We don't want this thing. So again, come back over here on this page, edit this text block, select everything, cut everything from here and go to text section and paste those over here. Now click on save changes. Similarly over here, click on this edit button, select everything, cut it and go to this text section and paste it over here. Click on save changes. Now click on update. Now again, let's come to this page, refresh the page, and now everything should be fine. Okay guys, so now everything is fine. We have our map, we have everything over here. So this looks awesome. So we have completed the FAQ and the contact us page successfully. Now let's add this menu over here. For example, if you see in this thing, we have to create a menu for this. First we have to create this menu. Okay, so let's add a menu. Come back to your dashboard, hover appearances, select menus, create a new menu, name it as footer menu. Okay, I don't have to select anything from here. Okay, now we will add the FAQ page, and let's come to view all page. The contact us page, the FAQ page will be there. Just click on add to menu. Okay, and then we'll add a custom link. In the URL, put this hashtag sign, and in the text put in terms and conditions. Add this thing. Okay, save menu. Now let's add these menus also, important links and find it first. Okay, so click on create a new menu. Title will be important links. Click on create menu. Let's see what all we have over here. We have my account, checkout, cart, shop, wish list. So let's add all those pages over here. Okay, my account, cart, wish list, my orders, whatever pages you want. Just click on add to menu. Click on save menu. Then again we have another one which says find it first, and we have all the categories under that. So again, come back over here, create a new menu, name it as find it first, create menu, and put all the categories under that. Okay, the product categories. Now let's select these different categories and click on add to menu. Click on save menu. Okay guys, so we have successfully created all the three menus. Now it's time to add these things in the footer. Okay, so come back to your website. Here you will see this Electro options. Go to that and click on social media first. Let's add all these social links first, then we'll add the footer. Okay, Now put in your Facebook, your Twitter, all the URLs over here. Okay, whatever you want, just put in all the, don't put this hashtag sign, obviously put in your real URLs. Now after that, just click on save changes. Okay, then come to footer, show brand slider, this is off, show footer widgets, it is on, and show footer newsletter, make this thing off. Okay, now here we have to change all these settings. Okay, first is the logo. This is the logo. Instead of this logo, what you have to do, you have to insert your own logo. So just click on this upload button and upload your own logo. Then we have show footer colors section. Okay, this is the section, fine. And now you can change all this information. Got question, call us 24/7. Here it is, got question, call us 24/7. You can change this thing. Okay, then you can change this number. This is the number, you can put in your own number. Then you have all this contact information, address. Okay, this is the address, you can put in your own address. After you are done doing all these things, just click on save and publish. And this is the footer credit. Okay, here is it, you see this is the footer credit. So maybe if you want to add your own website name instead of multi-purpose e-commerce website, so here it is, instead of my blog, you want to maybe add your own website name, for example Nayyar Sheikh. Then just type in Nayyar Sheikh and just change this link if you want. Click on save changes after that. Okay, now come back to your website, refresh the website, and everything should be fine now. Okay, scroll down. Okay, as you can see, all the changes have taken place, and here you have Nayyar Sheikh. Okay, now it's time to change these things. Okay, so let's do that. Come back to your dashboard, how our appearance is, and you have widgets. Okay, then you have footer widget, footer bottom widgets. Okay, now let's scroll down, and here you have this custom menu. And from here, select footer bottom widget and click on add widget. As you can see, the first one is important links. So just copy this title, put in the title important link, and from the menu select important link one. This is the one, click on save. Now again, click on custom menu, select footer bottom widgets, click on add widget. Now this time we have the find it first menu. Okay, so put in the title find it first and select the find it first menu, click on save. And the last one is check this out menu. Okay, so again, custom menu, make sure footer bottom widget is selected, click on add widget. Okay, now check it out. Okay, where it is. Okay, did we not create this? Okay, we have created this, but we named this as different. We named it as footer menu, I guess. Okay, now click on save, and again come back to your website, refresh, and now everything should be fine. Okay guys, so everything is fine. We have completed this website, just few things are left. Okay, so for that, again come back to your website over here, and when you click on this general settings, you have different options. You have this header. From here you can change your logo. We haven't changed our logo. This is the logo. When you change it to your logo here, from here you can do so. Okay, then we'll also see how to change the favicon. So for that, come back to your website, click on customize. Okay, first click on this site identity, and we haven't changed this thing yet, my blog. It will be your name of the website. For example, this could be NTech Solutions. Okay, and you can also have a tagline, best e-commerce site, whatever it is. Okay, then here it is the site icon, the favicon. When you see this website at the top, you see this small logo. This is the favicon. So you can upload your own favicon from here and click on save and publish. Okay, now cut this thing. Okay guys, with this we complete this awesome tutorial. I'm sorry for going fast. I think I was going fast. Okay, so I'm really sorry for that, but the main important thing was the first section, which is the multi-vendor section, and rest everything was the thing which we have done many times. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Make sure to give a thumbs up to this video and also subscribe to my channel to get more awesome stuff, more awesome videos from me. Okay, see you guys in the next tutorial. Take care.